Hi everyone, my name is Dewi Septiani. I am a fourth semester English education student. Here I will talk about the famous and interesting place in Indonesia. Indonesia is a hub country in both population and land area with significant cultural and geological diversity. With 18,110 islands, 6,000 of them inhabited. It is the largest archipelago in the world. The population of around 214 million people is derived from 300 ethnic groups who speak over 250 different languages. While Bali is usually the destination most familiar to foreign visitors, there is a wealth of other famous and interesting places in Indonesia to discover in this vast and varied country. Okay, the first is Bali. Who does not know about this one? Bali has always been the most favorite tourist destination in Indonesia since a long time ago. Also known as the Island of the Good. Its enhancing tropical vibe will immediately welcome you as soon as you step on the island. Pristine beach, glorious mountains, secret holy temples, lively nightclubs, and many other hidden gems wait in the island with unlimited excitement to be explored. Besides many popular spots like Ubud Monkey Forest, Uluwatu Temple, or Kuta Beach, we recommend you to go to Tirta Empul Temple, a Balinese Hindu water temple situated close to the town of Tampak Siring, Gianyar, Bali. The temple compound consists of a bathing structure, or also known by the local as Petirtaan, derived from the root word Tirta, which means holy water. Balinese Hindus frequently visit this place for purification ritual, because it is believed that bathing place streams holy spring water. You can also try to bathe in the here as long as you obey the local norms and regulations. If you are looking for a more scenic place to take pictures, at Tanah Lot would be a perfect choice. Literally meaning land of the sea, Tanah Lot presents the image of a Balinese temple, or pura, standing high on the rock facing the wide open ocean with the crashing wave and the cinematic color of the sky as background. Okay, next is Gili Island. Lombok, most popular tourist destination. The Gili Islands are an archipelago of 3 small islands, Gili Trawangan, Gili Meno, and Gili Air. The islands are very relaxed and laid back, with homeless little beachside cafes still playing reggae and no car, no motorbike to disturb the peace. Note that the name Gili Island is redundant, as Gili simply means small island in Sasak, and there are many other islands around the coast of Lombok with Gili in their name. Next is Borobudur. Borobudur is the one of the most famous Buddhist temple in the world. The Borobudur was built over a period of some 75 years in the 8th and 9th centuries by the Kingdom of Sailendra. Out of an estimated 2 million blocks of stone, it was abandoned in the 14th century for reasons that still remain a mystery, and for centuries lay hidden in the jungle under layers of volcanic ash. Next is Raja Ampat. Raja Ampat is the patchwork of turquoise, and kaleidoscopic coral reefs that every scuba diver dreams of. Located way of the beaten track, it fragments from the side of Papua on the extreme eastern and unexplored edge of the Indonesian archipelago. Hardly visited at all, the place is wild and rich, comprised of more than 1,000 individual rocks that rise dramatically from the simmering ocean as mangroves and primeval jungles encroach their base. The largest islands of Bajo and Batanta are to the top spot and are now laden with dive organizer offering strip into the crystal clear water. Next is Komodo National Park. Sunbaked Komodo is a wild and inhospitable place, isolated out between the cobalt seas and coral of the Lesser Sunda chain. Its fame primarily as the home of the world's largest living lizard, the aptly named Komodo dragon. However, that great stalking beast is just one of the attractions, and today travelers come to witness the rugged hills and the steep backcountry as it tumbles down to pink white beaches and shore water laden with rice, sea turtle, pygmy seahorse, and rainbow fish. Aside from that, sea kayaking around the rocky headlands is also becoming popular. Expect wild, empathic coves that few have ever explored before you. Next is Jakarta. Mostly known as the Hook City with the most hustlers in Indonesia, Jakarta is where over 10 million people with diverse ethnic group background from all over Indonesia gather and live in harmony. Roam around the street and marvel at the landscape of the metropolis, shop and find good deals in luxurious mall. Immerse into the small street and find culinary hidden gem on street hawkers. Visit the cultural wonders like Old Town Batavia, National Museum, and National Monument, and learn the history about this city that once was a legendary harbor town where trades from Dutch and England made their visit. Last but not least, you can also enjoy its limitless family-friendly excitement such as Dunia Fantasi Theme Park, Ancol Dreamland, SeaWorld, and many others. Next is Bandung. When things get too tight and relaxation is needed, people from Jakarta tend to choose Bandung as their sort escapade. The cool atmosphere is simply irresistible to those who seek a calm and refreshing journey. Almost every kind of attraction for every kind of tourist exists in Bandung. Fancy adventure, hike up to the hills of tebing Keraton of the Royal Cliff, the peak of Moko Hill, Tirad Highland Lembang, or the Stone Garden Citatah, and take some pictures to capture the memories we have made there. Looking to get closer to the local people and learn their music, dance, and culture, then you should visit Saung Angklung Ujo or Ujo's House of Angklung. Here you can watch an orchestra of angklung, the local traditional bamboo instrument, performed by children, as well as the performance of Sundanese traditional dance. It's all in one destination that you should try to visit at least once in a lifetime. And next is Yogyakarta. Once the cradle of civilization in Java, Yogyakarta is now one of the foremost cultural centers of Indonesia. This area was the throne that created the magnificent temples of Borobudur and Prambanan in the 8th and 9th centuries. Its cultural and historical values are what makes this city special. Therefore, you can spend your future holiday strolling through the living museum of the Keraton or the Keraton Sultan Palace, stopping by the famous alun-alun, watching silversmith craft stunning jewelry piece at Kota Gede, or experience shopping spree up at Malioboro Road, looking for an extraordinary sunrise view. Wake up early and chase the sun in famous temples like Prambanan and Borobudur in the neighboring town of Magelang. Be adventurous, culturous, and joyful at once in the city. Next is Labuan Bajo. Labuan Bajo was actually only a small fishing site situated on the westernmost tip of Flores Island. Now, along with the popularity of Komodo National Park, this destination has become the proxy to countless destinations in East Nusa Tenggara. Belonging to the same group as many other destinations in Komodo National Park, Labuan Bajo is always where you start at, because that's where the harbor and airport lies. The place offers a range of excitements such as Gua Batu Cermin, Amelia Hills, Rangkok Cave, and also Puncak Wulang Canyon Waterfall, all over spectacular scenery that will leave you breathless. Enter the zone of Komodo National Park deeper and you will find Pink Beach in Komodo Island, one of the only 7 pink beaches in the entire planet. Marvel at otherworldly beautiful, scan and take many pictures and or drone shots while also enjoying the smooth texture of the pink sand and cool breeze of the sea. Okay. Next is Lake Toba. Lake Toba is actually more like a sea than a lake. However, due to the fact that it was an ancient crater that was created from a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, it was then considered as the largest lake in the Southeast Asia and one of the deepest lakes in the world. In the middle of the lake, there is Samosir Island, an island where Tomok and Siamanindo ethnic group reside. Find valuable learning and philosophies from their tradition, such as Tortor traditional dance, the Gale-Gale wooden puppetry, Yule's hand-woven clothes, and many others. Those who fancy adventure might try kayaking around the lake and seeing the exhilarating view of sunset above the boat. Okay, there are 10 the famous and interesting places in Indonesia you must visit anytime soon. Then, make sure to keep this beautiful place in Indonesia to your bucket list and enjoy the nature's beauty which is abundant and this location. Make sure you add this place to your itinerary while planning an exciting trip to Indonesia. Okay, thanks for your attention. Sorry for the mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.